Have you ever wanted to amplify your yoga practice? Hi, I'm Catherine May, and today we're going to use essential oils to get into our flow. Let's start with the citrus, the lemon and orange. So if you saw my previous video, you do know that lemon and orange are not safe for your pets, so make sure they're not around when you're using these in your practice. Lemon and orange are really good to get your morning started. So with these, we're gonna do a little warm-up sun salutation flow. You're gonna stand at the top of your mat, your feet are together. If that doesn't feel very balanced, you can separate your heels. Gonna tilt your tailbone down so your core is intact. Then raise your arms up, look up at the sky, and then exhale, folding over your legs. Then bringing your palms to your shins, a nice flat back. Long spine. And then you're just going to plant those hands, step back, and do a yoga push-up, and that's a tricep push-up. Flip to the tops of your feet where your shoelaces would be. Gazing forward, upward facing dog. This is very energizing for your morning. And then you exhale into your downward facing dog. And what's perfect is that takes us right into our next flow with the peppermint oil. This one is also very energizing, and it's good for power yoga, which is actually what I teach. I've been teaching vinyasa yoga since 2012, so it's very special and I love it. And with vinyasa, you kind of flow breath to movement. So from your down dog, you'll raise a leg up, exhaling, stepping through between your hands, spinning that back foot flat, and you're in a warrior two. And then taking it back into a reverse warrior, your back palm is soft, your right arm reaches behind you. Keeping that deep bend in your knee, reaching forward to extended side angle, getting into your inner thigh, stretching that opposite arm over your head. And then you'll exhale back into your chaturanga, your yoga push-up. Again, it's a tricep dip, tops of your feet, upward facing dog, and exhale into your down dog. Keeping with our flow, last but not least, my absolute favorite is our lavender oil. Out of all four of these oils, this is the only one safe to use around your pets. And it promotes relaxation, helps you sleep, and it helps with restorative yoga. So restorative yoga is a little bit different. It's very slow paced. You hold poses for a long time, letting your fascia lengthen and your muscles start to release. And we'll just do a basic one here, opening up the legs. If you're not as far as me, don't worry, you've been doing this a long time. So opening up the legs, pointing your toes, and then you're gonna come forward. And if your legs are like, no, stop, then stop and breathe. But go as far as you can. And in restorative yoga, you're gonna hold this pose from anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. So you can really sink in, relax, and open up those tight spaces in your body. And what's really great about using essential oils in your practice is that breathing is the most important part of yoga. So when you're inhaling, you get to smell the delicious oils that you put in your diffuser before you started. So tell me, have you ever tried essential oils in your yoga practice? Let me know and subscribe to onlyfans.com/yogakittycat, and the cat is with a K.